now Indian Railways has come up with the project which will be connecting from the road that is from the Sivak Road to the Rangpo, which will be connecting with that stretch of 45 km. Now there will be 14 railway stations and the 14 bridges which will be connecting.
Actually, there are 14 number of tunnels in this stretch, and out of this 14 number of tunnels, 11 numbers has already been completed. The excavation has already been completed, and the final concrete lining work is moving on. And whatever the balance part is there, almost the tunnel excavation, if you consider, the 93% of the tunnel excavation is over by this time, and about 40% of the tunnel lining work has also been completed in this.
So how many bridge and how many stations will be there?
There are 5 numbers of stations in between, and almost every tunnel, if you see the terrain, every tunnel, once you come out from a tunnel, there is a bridge. So almost the same number of bridges are there in this stretch.
Another one will be following into Sikkim. Now the project has already been completed up to 90% and the remaining will be completed by the next year. That is what the engineer has been saying. Now this was the project which was put up on 2009 when the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was Guardian Railway Minister, and later on it was taken up by the Central Minister and then has been done into a progress of work where Prime Minister Narendra Modi has just inaugurated the Rangpo stations, and the work also is in progress. Now as we know that in order to come from the Bagdogra to Sikkim, people have to travel a long way. So in that case, if there will be a railway connectivity at a stretch of 45 km, it will be providing a boost to the tourism sector. That's what the people is expecting. And the tunnel work is already being completed, and the 90%, as you can see, the whole tunnel work is also in progress, and the work is being conducted. The work is going on, and it is said that the 90% of work, this is the 6th tunnel where the work is in progress, and it will take around next year, and the 90% work has already been completed in order to avail the service where the tourists can come and can avail the service, which will be at a stretch of 45 km.